Good morning, all. Last video we have discussed regarding the primordial and primary prevention. Today we are going to discuss regarding the secondary prevention. Secondary prevention is mainly it focused on three terms. First one is the early diagnosis. Second one treatment. Third one prevent complication. Early diagnosis, treatment, prevent complication. It is defined as an action which halt the progress of a disease at its incipient stage and prevent complication. That's same at the beginning stage of disease condition and prevent the complication. That is a basic concept of the secondary prevention. We'll see objective. First one, complete cure and prevent the progression of disease process. Completely cure and prevent the progress of disease. Second one, to prevent the spread of disease by curing all the known cases. Prevent spread of disease. Spread. That time we need to underline spread. And next one, prevent complication. And last one, shorten the period of disability, or maximum we are trying to reduce the disability. That is the main objectives of secondary prevention. In that first concept is the early diagnosis. It is nothing but arrest, stop the disease process, or we are maximum reduce the disease period. And it is not only to prevent or stop the disease process, to help to restore maximum best health and treat the disease before irreversible pathological changes occur, or we can tell like this, to prevent the complication and reverse the communicability of infectious disease. To prevent the communicability or prevent the spread of disease. Next one is the and last one, tertiary prevention. The main concept of tertiary prevention is limit the disability and rehabilitation. Limit or reduce the disability and rehabilitation. It is used when the disease process has advanced beyond its early stages, or it can define as all the measure available to reduce or limit impairment and disabilities, and to promote the patient adjustment to irremediable condition, or limit or reduce impairment or disabilities. It mainly focuses on disability limitations and rehabilitation. It is nothing but the late pathogenesis phase. Late pathogenesis phase. We'll see first time what is disability, then we can come to know what is rehabilitation. Disability, how mainly three terms will use. First one, impairment, loss or abnormality of any psychological or mental, physiological or anatomical structure or function. Loss or abnormality of mental or psychological, physiological and anatomical. The next one, disability. Any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity. Last one, handicap. These are disadvantages for a given individual resulting from impairment or disabilities. That handicap two term will come impairment or disability. This any of the condition we can tell that person or individual is handicapped. It may be impairment or disability. Impairment or disability, that both time we can tell, we can call or known as a handicap. Okay, this is the three terms we should remember the disability limitation. We'll see one of them very attractive videos in UNICEF. We'll watch now. Next one is the rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is the combined and coordinated use of medical, social, educational, and vocational measure for training and retraining the individual to the highest possible level of functional ability to help to patient to function. They may have some disability or like a handicap term we can use. But whatever happened, help the patient or that person to function highest possible level of functional ability. Highest possible level of functional ability. That is a rehabilitation. Types of rehabilitation. First one medical, another one vocational, then social, and last one is the psychological rehabilitation. Medical, nothing but restoration of bodily function. Vocational is nothing but restoration of capacity to earn livelihood. In some of the handicapped person have auto rickshaw, and some of them will do lottery. Like that is some example of vocational rehabilitation. Social rehabilitation, there are some many of the centers is available nowadays in social rehabilitation. And another one is a psychological restoration of personal dignity and confidence, help them to adjust life. That is a psychological concept. There is a principle is the enable timely recovery, restabilize, retrain, remotivate, resocialize, and reintegrate. Just I am showing one site. This is the rehabcouncil.nic.in. This is our Indian government site, rehabcouncil.nic and .in. If any of the have any of the like handicap issues, they can register this site and government will provide all support. And this is the one of the statistical rate. It is published in NCBI. 785 to 795 millions persons aged 15 year or old are living with disabilities based on 2010 population. See that number, 785 to 795 million persons. Approximately 7,638 per lakh population. The same NCBI reference 7,638 per lakh populations in India, and NSSO reported total 1 CR 40 lakh 85,000 and 44 lakh 6,000 people are disabled in rural and urban area respectively. So where is more? In rural area. So community healthiness main role in rural disabilities are high. So we have responsibility to do the maximum efficient work in the community. There is some of the common information regarding the government of India. One is a district rehabilitation center is available nowadays, and another one rehabilitation training centers also available in under the government of India, and another one national information center on disability and rehabilitation, and national council for handicapped welfare. These are the four social servicing sector available in government sector. Okay, then just I am going to conclude. Mainly four type of preventive measure is the first one. Wait, you won't stop this video. Next, after this section we are going to watch one of the very attractive and super videos regarding one handicapped persons, how that madam is overcome her disability. We'll see. Just I am going to conclude. Wait 1 minute. So first one, primordial prevention. Second one, primary. Then secondary, and last one is the tertiary prevention. We'll see one of the video. Then we can conclude. Please use headphone if it possible.
Yeah, we've been sold the lie that disability is a bad thing. Capital B, capital T. It's a bad thing. And to live with disability makes you exceptional. It's not a bad thing.
So, thank you. Have a nice day.